Hi, I'm Justin Ball, the owner of HammerHead, and in this video, I'm going to give you a demonstration of our two-handle shower valve with a built-in three-way diverter. It looks like this inside the wall. This is the main pressure balancing valve down here with a three-way diverter built into it. So let's walk through some of the benefits of a two-handle valve. Well, holding this right here, it makes plumbing so much easier to have the diverter built into the valve, where in the past, and they're still available, you could buy the pressure balancing valve and the diverter separately. It adds extra plumbing, extra work, extra cost. So this is really easy for anybody, and especially a plumber, to install in your wall, and it's nice and compact and has a really nice aesthetic. Now, functionally speaking, a two-handle valve with this diverter is great if you're doing new plumbing, right? And you want two shower heads like what we have here with a rain shower head and a handheld shower head. Diverter valves that go onto shower arms, external valves like that, are great if you already have your shower set up and you're just looking to add a second shower. But if you're doing a new shower and you want two shower heads, this is the way to go. Let's run some water through this and we can take a look at just how it functions. All right. So this is our standard pressure balancing valve, right? Cold, hot, warm. And in this position, pointing all the way to the right, it's just running the handheld shower head. Now, if I turn this handle up, runs the water to the rain shower head up here. And then if I keep going with the diverter handle all the way to the furthest position, now you have both shower heads running at the same time, okay? So that's the magic of a two-handle valve, right? Very convenient, very compact, and aesthetically pleasing. So this two-handle shower valve is available in this trim style in several of our industrial grade finishes: chrome, brushed nickel like this, oil rub bronze, matte black, and brushed gold. Like all HammerHead showers products, it's backed by our limited lifetime warranty, so you can trust the quality is there and we stand behind our product. So go check it out, upgrade your shower, make it 2-in-1 with a two-handle shower valve like this one right here. I'm Justin Ball, the showerhead guy, signing out for now.